Hello and welcome to eToll-Free. In this tutorial, I will walk you through how to set up a custom caller ID in the eDialer system. What is a custom caller ID? This option allows you to use the miscellaneous or security phrase field in eDialer as the caller ID to send out for each lead. Meaning, individual caller ID needs to be added to each of the leads as another column in your spreadsheet before you upload your leads to the list. If this field has no phone number in it, then the campaign caller ID will be used by the dialer system instead. Let's get started. Check your spreadsheet to upload in eDialer. Make sure the caller IDs you want to use for the leads are added on another column. The caller ID column should be mapped to the security phrase field or miscellaneous field of the dialer. Once leads are uploaded, there will be no way for you to edit unless one by one or re-upload the leads again. Please check our videos on how to upload leads in eDialer system. Now that the leads are uploaded, we need to activate the custom CID in the eDialer system. To do this, go to Campaigns. Then, Campaigns Main. Click Modify. Then, under Detail, go to Custom Caller ID, choose Y. Then, Save Changes. For any other eDialer concerns, feel free to go to our website, www.etollfree.net, and click the chat support icon, located at the bottom right of the web page. Our friendly eToll-Free customer support representatives are ready to help from Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and on Saturdays from 7 a.m. to 12 noon. If you need to send a ticket after office hours, not a problem. Email us at support@etollfree.net, and someone from eToll-Free support will reach out to you as soon as possible.